In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload video from CapCut to Facebook. So for us to get this done, I have this video right here that I'm done working with. I'm just going to head over here at the top that says export, and then we're going to go ahead and wait for this one to be done. Once we're done with this one, you should be able to see here Facebook. So if you're going to click that, it's going to automatically bring you to the newsfeed with the video. However, say for example, you want to upload it to different, say, reels, you can click the others here, and then you're going to go ahead and see more options here for Facebook. So I want you to go ahead and choose between the following. We have the newsfeed, reels, group, and then story. So again, newsfeed is what I'm going to be choosing this time, and we are here. So you can go ahead and basically delete all of the things that are there just like so, and then you can go ahead and start putting something. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put here sample, and then click this and then show it to public, tap the post button, and I'm just going to head over and wait for it to be uploaded. Alright, there you go. So now we have successfully uploaded the video of ours here on Facebook. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.